Now let's do a little crypto breakdown on all the other main cap coins, well, the majority of them, right? So we've got Ethereum. Let's have a look at ETH on a 4 hour. We can see ETH has been trading down these levels real smooth. It's been very clean, real respecting. Here we've got head and shoulders that's formed here. Left shoulder, head. And now I want price as BTC runs up to give me that right shoulder. And then make its way down to take out these lows. You know what I'm saying? The liquidity is all resting here. You know what I mean? So this move down, this is a buy trap. Now all the buyers, no, this was just this was news. This had to be news. Yeah? And then this is the buy trap here. Because now buyers are buying, expecting price to take out resistance and push up to become bullish, but it's come back in, and now you're in negative. So you're married to the position unless you've been stopped out. But if you're trading a big swing, your stop loss would be down here. So prices should be making its way slowly and surely back down into these levels down here, and then we should see price. Oops, if I didn't admit, we should see price then. Yeah, because that would be perfect. Look at this. Because you see what happened here. Had that fake move, price got up that time and then push out. Here we've had that move, price failed to get up. So now we should see price tumble down, and we could even see price go even further down into here. This is a very key level though. This 2,500 level is a very key level, so I would expect a natural reaction back off there, but we'll have to wait and see how price plays out. What I do know is if price is above 3,000, then we can be bullish towards 3,250, and if price stays below 3,000, which is what I'm predicting, I think price will go down below 2,623, which would be target. You know what I'm saying? Stop loss, you don't need to put a stop loss much farther above the level we could get even here. Stop loss about there. We want down here 2.69R, no problem at all. You get me? Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. So that's what I'm expecting for Ethereum. Solana's the same thing at a key level. Bad price action in and around this order block, right? Nothing very clean. Price is now below it, using it as resistance. I'd like price to give this area stay below or within this area, and then I would be expecting the same thing I'm expecting on all of the crypto markets right now, which is shorts. And let's just look for where those shorts could lead up to. We could see 111, or we could even see a flat level of 100. Alright, because one thing I do know is these stops need to be taken, so 116 is the minimum target that we would be expecting on shorts with Solana. And if we go down to that 1 hour time frame, we can see prices already started making it smooth. So if you wanted to get in, you could, or you could get in now with your stop loss. Oops, wrong position. So if you got in here, stop loss just above there, and your target would be to take out this low here. So just below that low, quick 2R, and if it then pushes below, which is what I would expect anyway, that's 4R, and if it pushed down all the way to the main TP of 101 maximum bleeding, that would be an 8R trade. To be on the safe side, you'd want to put your stop just above that wick anyway, to be fair, so 5R in total. Right, same thing I'm expecting there. XRP. This is a dodgy customer. I don't really fuck with XRP heavy like that, but this is clean so far. Unless we get a fucking breakout to the upside, this does look quite clean. Yeah, multiple taps on that way. I want it like that. Boom. I'd literally just play this down of every resistance. So off here, I'd want to play something like this, and then a small breakdown into there. So that's what I'd expect from XRP. Boom, take out that low as well, perfect, exit. And then from there, we could then see the breakout and price make its way back up to this level up here. Or the bleeding continues all the way down into this unfilled wick. Alright, and that would be nasty, because that would mean price could go further down, therefore meaning this setup will either play up to here, yeah, or it will play from here up into here. Right, that's what I'm expecting. If we do break up above, as you can imagine, if we get a breakout above, it would look something like this. Breakout, retest, boom, and then push up into there. Right now, so we're going to be very diligent on what BTC is doing. BTC's move will then obviously take all the alts with it. So we're going to keep an eye on that, very close eye. BNB, big BNB. Back in this range here. Let me get rid of this previous trade entry. Let's move this across. Alright, so we're stuck in this, back in this range. Alright, as you can see, the last time we broke out, we did get that retest and then a trade out. So I'll just be expecting any breakout, retest, you know what I'm saying, or sorry, yeah, anything similar to something like that. Breakout, trade away, come back, give me your entry, continue on for the continuation leg. You know what I'm saying? AVAX looks like that's gonna go down to fill this wick. Definitely. This coin looks like it might not even make it past 2027. It might not make it into 2027, it might get left in 2026 next year. As you can see, price is trading very clean. Looks like this supports turned resistance here. Easy money short, low risk. You want your stop just above that previous bounce there, dead cat bounce. And then, bam, you'd want to short it down into fill that wick. And yeah, 2.81 out there. Cardano, this coin used to be the rival for Ethereum at one point. Now, it looks like a piece of shit. And everything looks like it's going for a wick fill here, man. Everything looks like it's going for a wick fill. I close below here on a daily. Close below this level on a daily. And I will take a short. So if we close below, I will take a short. Stop loss just above this previous high, which is the previous high. And then, boom, quick 1.7 but you know it's gonna run further. So, nice 2-hour trade there for you that you can just take. Let's see if there's any other cryptos that are worth discussing. Link, let's see what Link's saying. Right, head and shoulders, continuation, take out this low. Yeah. Hey, that's such an ugly shoulder there. So I do want a little push out. This token apparently is backed up by so many big companies, but I don't think they care about it. It's a rug pull from the major companies above. Don't think they're too big to rug pull you, mate. Everyone can get it. Nothing really clear here though. Nothing really clear here. Nice downtrend, but I want to see price. I will go and try to push up here before I ask for a price to push down. Do you get what I'm saying? That's what I'd like to ideally see on there. And lastly, let's just, we just spoke about link. Let's have a look at the fucking, yeah, that did happen, not in the style I wanted, but boom, and nasty. So here we're on a nice trend support that has been running for a long time. A very long time. This trend line support has been there since 2018, and price has clearly respected it. We've had one crack of it, which was here in this time, and this was in 2024, and from there we had a massive move up. Right. We've had another crack of it now, and price has stayed above it. Right. So, this could be it could be the mad thing. But if it cracks below, bro, it's definitely big problems for Link. Big problems if it cracks below. But this could be the one token that I see pushing higher, because everything else just looks absolute dog shit. Unless BTC flips from here, because 86k, 85k has been really solid as a support. This 85k the past couple weeks, it's been really solid. So if that holds true, I wouldn't be surprised if BTC, like we said, carry on pushing up. But I do see it pushing up just a little bit and then selling itself off, which would help a lot of the other things that we've discussed for this setups to form properly. So yeah, looking forward to it. We'll see what we get, and more updates coming along the way. Peace.